What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to rotate a video in Filmora 13. So the first thing that we want to do is to bring the video that we want to rotate to the timeline, like so. And then to rotate the video, all you have to do is to click on it. And as you can see now here at the upper part, a dot has appeared. So what we want to do is to click on it and drag it to the right to rotate it to the right, or drag it to the left to rotate it in the opposite way. Also, you can do the rotate process by going to video, then basing, and as you can see here at transform we have the option to rotate. So if we say here 90 degrees, it will turn to the right at 90 degrees. Let's say 180 for example, and now it's upside down. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.